Welcome to the TuffCab installation guide. Your TuffCab will ship to you in a protective wooden crate. For the installation, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, a 12mm and a 13mm socket wrench. For easy product removal, remove first the top panel and then the side panel of the crate. Inside will be all the components you need, an instructions manual, and separately organized hardware for each panel. Before you can begin installing the TuffCab, remove accessories such as headlights, fire extinguishers, and mirrors. Installation begins with the windshield panel. Align the panel with the top rail of the overhead guard. Then attach both windshield wings by pressing down to form a seal and tightening bolts. Secure the panel to the forklift using the 4 provided brackets. TuffCab's windshield wiper comes with bayonet-style connectors and a 5-amp fuse base. This should be wired to a 12-volt power source. If needed, consult your material handling dealer technician for recommendations. Next, place the rear panel in the proper position. Align the panel with the already present holes, so no need to drill. Tighten both upper bolts and the 2 brackets. If purchased, install the vinyl curtains by first aligning the edges of the curtain with the frame. This will remain sealed due to high-strength magnets. Then, secure the position curtain by tightening the straps around the side guardrail. The roof panel can now be placed. Secure the roof panel using 4 brackets. Install the rear curtain by securing it to the rear panel with 3 bolts. Reinstall any accessories that were taken off during installation and enjoy the comfort and protection offered by a fully installed TuffCab.